students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, if 2a vector minus 3b vector cross 3a vector minus 2b vector is equals to lambda times a vector cross b vector, then value of lambda is. So let's open these brackets. So 2a vector cross 3b vector. So 2 3s are 6, a vector cross a vector cross a vector. Correct? Then minus then 2a vector cross minus 2b vector. So 2 into 2 will become 2 into minus 2 will become minus 4, and a vector cross b vector, a vector cross b vector. Now minus 3 into 3 will become 9. So minus 3 into 3 will become minus 9, and b vector cross a vector, b vector cross a vector. Now minus 3 into minus 2 will become minus 6, correct? And b vector cross b vector, and b vector cross b vector is equals to lambda times a vector is equals to lambda times a vector cross b vector, correct? Now cross product of a vector with itself will be 0. So this will become 0 and this will become 0. So we have minus 4 times a vector cross b vector minus 9 times b vector cross a vector is equals to lambda times a vector cross b vector. Now we can write b vector cross a vector is equals to minus times a vector cross b vector. So minus 4 into a vector cross b vector minus times minus 9 into minus of a vector cross b vector is equals to lambda times a vector cross b vector. So minus minus will become plus. So minus 4 times a vector cross b vector plus 9 times a vector cross b vector is equals to lambda times a vector cross b vector. So 9 minus 4 will become 5. So 5 times a vector cross b vector is equals to lambda times a vector cross b vector, which implies lambda is equals to 5. So correct answer will be 5. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.